Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to cover how to multiply a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. We'll go through one example together to get this down quickly. So, I already made a video on how to multiply a 4-digit number by a 4-digit number, but I maybe thought maybe I should make another video on 4-digit by 2-digit multiplication to make you guys understand it maybe a bit better. So, excuse me guys. So, for the first example, we have 7,483 times 46. So, first step we're going to take is we're going to line these up below each other. So we're going to do 7,000, don't forget the comma, 483 times 46, like this. And we're going to multiply one by one, step by step together so we can get this down. So, first off, what we're going to do is we're going to do 6. Basically, we're going to do 6 times 7,483, but with a lot of steps, so we can do it without using a calculator. So, the first step we're going to take is we're going to multiply 6 by 3. 6 multiplied by 3 equals 18. So, we're going to write the 8 down here and carry over the 1. Now we're going to do 6 times 8. 6 times 8 equals 48. And we're going to add the 1 so we get 49. So we're going to write down the 9 and carry over the 4. Now we're going to do 6 times 4. 6 times 4 equals 24 plus 4 equals 28. So we're going to write the 8 down here and carry over the 2. Now we're going to do 6 times 7. 6 times 7 equals 42. 42 plus 2 equals 44. So we're going to write down the 4. Don't forget to write the comma. And as you can see, we don't have any numbers where we can carry the 4. So we're just going to write 44 down here. So 6 times 7,483 will equal 44,898. So now we're done with these numbers. We can cross them off so we don't confuse them with the numbers we're going to use now. And just to keep it a bit more organized. So now we're going to do 4 times 7,483. But this 4 has a value of 40. So what we're going to do is we're going to write a 0 right here, and we're going to start the multiplication from here. Because we're basically multiplying 40 by 7,483. So let's start by doing this. We're going to do 4 times 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. So we're writing the 2 down right here, and we're carrying over the 1. Now we're going to do 4 times 8. 4 times 8 equals 32, plus 1 equals 33. So we're going to write down the 3 right here, and we're going to carry over the 3. Now we're going to do 4 times 4. 4 times 4 equals 16, plus the 3 we just carried over. We're going to get 19. My bad, guys. We're going to get 19. So we're going to write the 9 down here. Don't forget the comma. And we're going to carry the 1. Now we're going to do 4 times 7. 4 times 7 equals 28. Plus 1 equals 29. So we're going to write the 9 down here. And because we don't have anywhere to carry over the 2, we're just going to write 29. So this will be our 2 numbers we have to work with now. So what we're going to do now is we are going to add these 2 numbers together. We're going to add these 2 numbers together from the right to the left very simply. So how we're going to do this is I'm going to show you how to do this. So we're going to start off from the right. We have 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0 just equals 8. Now we have 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 equals 1. And, no, I mean 9 plus 2 equals 11. But we're going to write the 1 down here, and we're going to carry over the 1. So now we have 1 plus 8 equals 9 plus 3 equals 12. So we're writing the 2 down here, and we're carrying over the 1. Take the comma straight down, and carry on. So 1 plus 4 equals 5, plus 9 equals 14. So we're writing the 4 down here, and we're carrying over the 1. So again, we have 1 plus 4 equals 5, plus 9 equals 14. So we're going to write the 4 down here again and carry over the 1. Now we just have 1 plus 2, which equals 3, and we will have our final answer. So our final answer will be 344,218. So this was basically the video, guys. My bad about my voice. This was basically the video. I hope you guys understood it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a question in the comments. And this was Mr. Mathz, and I'll see you guys in the next one.